right here. It's gonna be bold, it's gonna be iconic, and it's definitely gonna be world class.
Who are you guys excited to see? Let me hear it.
Who are you guys here to see? Is
NYE at the Fair.
Handa akong masaktan kung kapalit na may malayan. Kamabahan ngunit nakapisihan ito ang dakilang kasal at ginawa aking pagsihirap. Ba't hindi na makahinga kung ipahiram ko lang isang araw ang mata ko, malalaman mo ko sa biro at pilit ko sa'yo ikiyas para sa akin at nagbibigay ang harap. Di kailangan na ngunit nakapagkasira akasang nagawagin, akasang nagawagin, akasang nagawagin. Alam mo, agawin, ano ba gawin? Bigyan kita sa puso at ang natigil ang ating katunan. Ano ba naman lahat
Love you, Kuya Kim.
Handa akong masaktan kung kapalit ng may malayan. Kamahalan tunay na propesya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa. Aking magsihin ng BGC sabay-sabay pag hindi na maghahinga. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit lanang dating sakit si Dara. Pagkagaling mo sana, ikaw ang pinakamagandang parating. Ayaw na hiniling tulad sa ikaw ang aking Maria Makiling. Sa aking mata ikay diwata ang bandang araw. Ito ko sino kayo dyan, everybody. Come on, come on! Wait, baby, you're my serenity, my favorite melody, the real. So fine, babe, ganda mo hindi latapit ako, nagtagkakabit, so please set your hair up, takes my breath away, masarap ang isa, sa tapat ng babae. Happy New Year, everybody!
This next song ay isang sobrang special na song sa akin kasi ito yung pinaka ina-idolize ko sa pagsusulat ng song.
If Eden defines what home should be, then paradise is you. Yakin na lang tunang aking pagkaming-hani kung alam mo na ikaw ang perfection.
Sa mga bar ako tumutugtog, sa mga food park, underground, malls, ayan, Route 196. And ayun, for some reasons, laging 4 lang po yung natitira sa show ko. Yung 2 doon, nanay at tatay ko, na nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon. Yeah. Yung isa po doon, si Maisie, yung girlfriend ko, na fiancé ko na ngayon. Yeah. Tapos yung isang naiwan, wala pa pong paki sa akin yun, tas lasing na. Pero ngayon po, alam niyo yun, bagong taon, nandito ako malayo sa amin. Ang dami-dami natin dito, tumutugtog ako sa harap niyo. Maraming salamat po. And this next song, ito po yung kantang unang bumago sa buhay ko. And this sounds like this.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tugtog ng gitara, iit ng kanta. Sa hanggang man ang kita, hindi mawawala. Iwagan mo, lalang. Sabay-sabay. Ikaw ang aking musika. AGC the gig. Yeah, this song is called Manalaga. Hot shot running in my non-stop vertical. Girl blood, whiskey in the teapot, ethanol. Burning like hotline, be bright, heavenly body. Only music can define you, and it sounds like this. From the sauce of my the movie in a body when it goes. I follow me now, track point, black smooth. Daming sansama ka palagi. Ang ituluhin na sa'yo maaari. No change, why you rocking the makeup? Brown eyes, yeah, outside, you're the stand up. A pretty, pretty lady, big bang, doesn't make sense. I see God in your hand. Body ang himalay sa gawin, baby. Haven't felt so divine till I looked in your eyes. See my future, baby. Listen, I wonder what time I was in heaven when I got a glimpse of it coming from your lips, baby. Losing so much is bad. So please don't stand, but you want my Friday. Cause you're choking my face and that magic pop over your food. Slow down, you're not gone. When I miss your thing, ibigit kay drama sa teatro po ay limitado. Bawat kisot ng matay ko wala. Looking on makeup, brown eyed chick on side, beauty stand up. Pretty, pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. Come on, PGC, let's let it sink in. Ang himalay sa gawin, baby. I haven't felt so divine till I looked in your eyes. See my future, baby. Deserve ng pagmamahal sa bigay. PGC Choir, come sing with me. Ang himalay sa'yo ay bibintang. Haven't felt so divine till I looked in your eyes. See my future, baby, nothing you say to me. Baby, nothing you say to me. Baby, nothing you. Nothing you say to me. No, I don't wanna live this life without you, girl. Yeah. Everybody having fun? Yes, sir. Alam niyo po, for some reasons, ang dami ko natutunan this year na lesson sa buhay ko. For some reasons, maraming nagsasabi sa akin, nagtatanong kung bakit tayo nila, ba't ganyan kasimulat ng song? And I'm aware of that. Alam ko po yun. But meron akong paboritong linya na isulat ko sa song na yun. At sabi dun sa linya na yun ay, I see God in your face. Tayo nila, what do you mean, I see God in your face? Ang ibig sabihin po ng I see God in your face is, listen, whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, And whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there. Ay, isang tanong, isang sagot. Sino mga marunong magmahal dito? Yo, that's the end. You know what? No one and nothing is beyond love. Kahit gano'n ka astig, kahit gano'n ka tigas, kahit gangster ka, nagmamahal ka rin. Now, lahat ng pinuntahan naming lugar, bansa, city, kinanta tong song na to ng sobrang lakas. And I have a feeling na bago magtapos ang taon, kakanta ito ng BGC ng mas malakas sa lahat ng ginawa nila. Mga kaabasa ba ako, everybody? Singers! Beautiful. What? Haven't felt so divine till I look in your eyes, see my future. Baby, love and love and issue save me. Thank you so much, everybody. And before I leave this stage, I just want to call on my hero, Kuya JR. Come on. Para sa inyo to. I'm living life the day I met you. Hate to think your feelings have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No one ever fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. Pinsan ay ikinamada, pag binibining ay salamanga. You tell my lips into a bouquet. Sining isang masayang di naluluma. Maraming salamat po ulit, everybody. Yes, sir. I just want to remind you that this is a year-end party. So, challenge ko ang bawat isa. Ibilang ko ng tatlo. At sisigaw tayo ng sobrang lakas kaya ng banyo. We'll sing. Oh my God, BGC. Let's go. Let's go. see your version. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw ay tila Bini. What? Come on now. Wanna hit that note? Come on. Oh my. At kung sa tingin mo lang ako'y ba? So case you ever say goodnight. Oh my love. Punta na